Welcome, fabulous viewers. Have you ever stumbled upon a YouTube channel with a jaw-dropping 1.2 million followers and thought, I want to create content like that? Well, you're in for an electrifying ride today because we're about to dive headfirst into the secrets of success behind those mesmerizing videos. So if you're ready to up your video game and skyrocket your content creation skills, keep watching. Grab your notepad, buckle up, and get ready to embark on this exhilarating journey to video stardom. Let's get started. To start, connect with ChatGPT, a powerful and free tool. Today's video topic is sea animals. Now let's ask ChatGPT to assist us in scripting our video. Great, when the video script is ready, simply copy and paste it into a document. We'll use 11 Labs for a high-quality voiceover. Just paste the script into 11 Labs. Choose a suitable voice, adjust settings like stability and clarity, and hit Generate. Listen to the voiceover, download it, and repeat the whole script to keep a consistent narration for the video. To create an animated background, use Canva. Open Canva and choose a still background that matches your video theme without any extra elements or animations. Pick an eye-catching background for your video. Customize it using Canva's tools, and when you're satisfied with the adjustments, download it. Now, if you want to enhance your background and make it come alive, consider using layapix.com for that effect. Just open Layapix and upload the background you made in Canva. This tool allows you to add movement to your background elements. Play around with the settings until you're happy with the animation. Now let's talk about video quality. Instead of the standard download method, consider recording your screen while the animation plays. This way, you can capture the animation in much higher quality with your top-notch recording. Now let's head back to Canva. Upload the video you recorded and start incorporating all the elements you desire for your video. This is where your creativity can truly shine. Add images, elements, animations, or anything that enhances the educational experience for our young viewers. Remember to include the voiceover we made earlier, ensuring each animal is introduced at the right moment. Once your composition is satisfactory, it's time to download the final animated background video. Let's add a speaking character to make our video even more engaging. Our go-to tool for creating animated characters is Adobe Express. Simply search for Free Animation Maker for YouTube on Google and click on the link that offers animation options for YouTube. You'll discover a variety of captivating characters to choose from. For our video, I've picked the character named Hopscotch. Customize your character by enabling a green screen background and selecting the appropriate size for YouTube videos. Now, import the voiceover audio clips we created earlier. And just like that, our character springs to life. I'm quite pleased with how it's turned out. Once you're content with the result, go ahead and download the animated character video. This will be a valuable asset for the upcoming steps as we continue to enhance our video with both the animated character and background ready to go. Now it's time to bring everything together and put the finishing touches on our educational YouTube video. You can use your preferred video editing software, but for today we'll use Filmora X, a user-friendly editing tool that makes it easy to integrate all our elements seamlessly. Start by importing all the generated files, the background video, the character video, and the voiceover. Arrange them on the timeline in the order you want them to appear in the video. To avoid audio overlap, mute the audio of one of the files, ensuring your voiceover and background music don't clash. Now let's use the chroma key effect. Apply this to the character video to remove the green screen background, seamlessly integrating the character with the animated background. Resize and position the character on the screen as needed, making sure it doesn't block any essential visuals. Congratulations! You've now successfully created your first AI animated video. It's ready to be shared with your audience for an engaging and educational experience.
Welcome, young explorers, to another exciting adventure under the sea. Today, we're going to dive deep into the ocean and meet some incredible creatures: sharks, octopuses, and sea turtles.